we have a special delivery from Vesgantti. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Thursday. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week this far. But guess what? We are going to be having something new coming into the house. Here I am going to the Goodwill, and we are basically going to be looking for some old sheets, okay? We need plenty of sheets because I am going to be gifting my good friend a brand new couch.
I don't have to walk up. Hey. Woo. Also, guys, Tanya is a YouTuber. She also moved from St. Louis. She's one of my greatest, bestest friends. She lives an hour away, so we don't get to see each other quite often. But please follow her. Please. YouTube. I'm gonna start back posting. What's your YouTube handle? My name is Latanya on all platforms. She's an amazing content creator, so you guys show her some love. It don't matter, I'm always a mess on my channel, honey.
Thank you. And your truck or your van.
Okay, so yay, we got the U-Haul. So basically now we are on our way to drop my car off to Latanya's house, and now we're headed in the U-Haul to go to my house to pick up the couch. And I just felt, on my heart to gift her with the gift because I received a gift, right? So basically, we're going to be having a new sponsor again from Vesgantti, and they're going to be gifting me another couch. Ideally, I just cannot fit both of those couches in my house, and I don't have anywhere to put the old couch. So I said, you know what? I am just going to give this couch to somebody who absolutely deserves it. So here we are. We have the L-shaped sectional all loaded and ready to go. We're going to take this couch to its new owner. Yay! And I just want to say, I'm so silly. I just want to say this couch is heavy as all get out, okay? That should have been the full review right there. But basically, we are headed back to Latanya's to drop this couch off to its new owner. All right, the couch has made it to its new home. So yeah, this is the main part. Okay. Yep, and that's how it goes. Looking like some. Look like some. Yay. Oh, that's pretty. Yay! Thank you, friend. Oh, thank you. It's pretty. It looks good, girl. Yeah. Ooh, Lord. And then I gotta go to work. Like, we was dedicated. I gotta go to work in 30 minutes. Yes. And I work my night shift job. But baby, we was determined. Yes, had to get it out. We was determined. We did it. We did it. Yeah. Wow, look how good this couch looks up in here. Like, girl, you better. Guess what, YouTube? We're back with another Making My House Into a Home. It's tanabrene, and yeah, we got another exciting video. Okay, guys, so you guys saw in a few videos ago that we did a couch unboxing, right? We did a couch unboxing with Vesgantti, and guess what? We have another sponsored video from Vesgantti. I was blessed yet again with another couch. Since I was blessed, I decided to share my other blessing with my friend Latanya, and I gifted her a couch because you guys know my story. If you don't know my story, if this is your first time here, catch the playlist and you can catch up with my story of how and why I moved to Dallas, Texas from St. Louis. Okay, so while I have you guys here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But we have another sponsor from Vesgantti. You guys saw the infamous, beautiful, beige cloud flow sectional couch that I was gifted. With that sectional. I went ahead and gifted that to my friend Latanya. You know, a blessing to a blessing, and I'm fine with that. But now we are on to something bigger and better. We have another couch that I'm going to be unboxing today from Vesgantti. I can't wait for you guys to see. I have no clue how big it is or how tall it is, but I'm excited to see. So before I unbox the couch and set this brand new big couch up, I decided to go ahead and change out my batteries and my wall pucket lights, because the last time I tried to do this, I almost broke my neck and I don't want to go through that again. So I just said, let's just kill two birds with one stone, get this out the way so I can go ahead and, you know, get my new couch all set up. But I hope that you guys are doing well. And if you're still here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and leave me a green heart in the comments so that I can know that you made it. And thank you so much, Vesgantti, from the bottom of my heart, for always looking out for me, for partnering with me and sponsoring my videos and gifting me with this beautiful furniture, making my house into the most perfect home. Thank you. We have the Vesgantti modular sectional sofa, and I'm so excited to unbox this for the second time with you guys. We also have a gifted throw. And just to give you guys a little background information about Vesgantti, they have an actual direct website, which is vesgantti.com, where you can find mattresses, different sofas. But today we're going to highlight their selection on Amazon. Vesgantti sofas has so many different kind of styles of couches. Like, they are amazing. They have a lot of sectionals, they have ottomans, they have regular couches, they have big sectionals. You can make it into like a 15-seater. As you guys get along through the video, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. But this in particular is the couch that I'm going to be gifted today. Oh my goodness. I hope that it comes out to look just like this picture. It's freaking beautiful. I also have a beige color as well, and here are the dimensions. So the exact model of the couch I'm going to be unboxing is the Vesgantti Coud Lita modular sofa. I got her in the color beige. When I received my packages from FedEx, I had 3 packages. Okay, I had 2 big boxes of the couch, and I had 1 separate box for my throw blanket. I do want to indicate the blanket is not automatically shipped with the order. You will need to contact via phone. You will have to provide the order number and request the additional accessories, which is the blanket, and then they will ship it to you separately. So your process will be a tad bit different from mine. Well, that's if you are interested in placing an order with Vesgantti. And also, I will leave my special link down below in my description box, so be sure to check the description. I will have a special link down below that will save you a few bucks off of your order from Amazon. I am more than positive that this couch is going to just fit perfectly into my home. So it's a 3-seater and 1 ottoman and 108 inches. It is a L-shaped modular sectional sofa in the color beige. Also, you have 2 leg height options. You have a 2.76 inch option, and you have a 4.72 inch option. I think I'm going to go for the 4.72. I like my couch to be a little bit taller. This will also need 48 hours to fully expand. tools.
And I thought that this was a really cute touch. It's like a sleeve that you can put your remote control in or your glasses on the arm of the couch. So I think that's a really cute touch to have as well. And I do want to mention the ottoman, you can put it anywhere. You can have it on the left side of the couch, you can make it a right side of the couch, or in the middle, or you can separate it into two. Here is the owner's manual.
Also, it comes with a big poster board of like different kind of couches and styles and colors they have. You flip over.
The back of this was very helpful. You see all the different kind of styles you can do with your cedar couch. You can put it into 8 pieces, 10 pieces, 15 pieces, and you also have the directions that tells you step by step how to set up the couch.
And then last but not least, we have the throw blanket. It's just a regular huge throw though. Like it's huge.
The throw is huge, but we cannot forget about our warranty. Thank God for a warranty. But here we are with everything outside of the box, and hopefully we don't stress ourselves out with trying to put this couch together. But you guys know I'm pretty good with my hands, so we gonna get the job done regardless. But here I am screwing on my legs on that couch. I am using the taller version of my couch legs, which is the 4.72 inch legs here. And they also have a bunch of these grippers that you can put on the bottom of your couch legs to make sure that your couch doesn't slide or anything like that. So I'm going to put all of those on each leg on my couch. So basically I'm just getting my couch prepped and ready to attach on the back. So the instructions were kind of easy to follow. I had to put a video on as well to get it going, but once I got the groove of it, it's a pretty easy install. But I know this couch will be a beautiful asset to my home. I know it's gonna fit in perfectly with my home aesthetic. You guys know that I love just clean things, and from the pictures, I mean, I just can't be disappointed, right? Oh my God, look how good we're looking. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the other armrest up on the side of the couch. And I'm excited to have an armrest because the last couch I did not have that. But this couch has an armrest. It has a side pocket where I can store my phone. You can store your reading glasses, your remote control, even though I don't have a TV downstairs, because I feel like TVs, when you have TVs downstairs, that's where everybody want to sit, and then it adds a lot of wear and tear on your couch. Or is that just how I think? I know I couldn't be the only one, right? But yeah, we're working on things downstairs to be able to watch family movies and things like that. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned.
So you guys heard Ani say the couch was bouncy, and I can second that. The couch is bouncy. She's very sturdy, and I freaking love her. Now, with the portion that I am opening in the plastic bags, you know, the pillows will take about 48 hours to 72 hours to fully expand, and I am totally fine with that. I'm going to let her do her thing. However much time she needs, girl, take your time and blow up fully for me. Expand to the fullest amount, okay? In the name of Jesus. So yeah, I'm going to basically get my couch pillows all set up so that we can get our finished results of our new Coud Lita sofa. I'm so excited. This is the most perfect time to receive this gift. It's a Christmas gift for me, you know. Happy holidays to you all, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful end of the year. But here is the huge, humongous throw blanket. She's huge, humongous. And here we have a finished look with the couch. And I'm just in total awe. Thank you so much, Vesgantti, for gifting me with this beautiful couch. I'm actually really speechless right now, because I just couldn't be any more grateful. So again, I will have a special link listed down below in my description if you are interested in placing an order with Vesgantti. And look how bouncy she is. Like, I'm like a kid in a candy store. So fluffy, so sturdy, just oh so perfect. And I am just like, yeah, this is it. This is it for me. But I hope that you guys did enjoy the video as much as I did creating the video. And until next time, you guys, take care, happy holidays, and be blessed. And I'll see you next time. And wait a minute, if you're still here, go ahead and leave me a green heart down below so that I can know that you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you know you're going to want to see me again. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on that bell. But until next time, guys.